Hi guys, I'm Dave from Apple Tips and I'm back with a new unboxing. So in this unboxing we are going to unbox the Pro Tech Toolkit from iFixit. Without further ado, let's get started. First we're going to take the knife out of the hostler and reveal the blade. Then we're going to do this. Now we're going to take it out of the box. And we have iFixit and we are going to put it up and take out the toolkit. Now in the box we have a owner guide for repairs and things and an iFixit sticker thing. This is the toolkit. We have some iPod opening tools, a suction cup, a anti-static bracket, some things that looks like guitar picks, some tweezers, some spudgers, some opening tools, a jimmy tool, and a toolkit with the screws. And also we have the nicer iFixit metal screwdriver. So if we take out our essential kit and take the screwdriver, you can see them side by side. This is made of plastic and this is made of metal, so you can kind of see the difference between them. So this was the iFixit Pro Tech Toolkit, and see you in the next one.